His tenors maxi skirt offer a graceful and flowing salute that is perfect for relaxed yet stylish setting like sunset beach gathering, where comfort and elegance need to coexist. When paired with lightweight knitwear, this combination creates a soft and effortless look that feels both practical and refined. The movement of the maxi skirt adds a natural fluidity of the outfit. Knitwear provide a balanced upper structure without feeling heavy. This pairing works particularly well in breezy environment. It allows for ease of movement while maintaining a polished appearance. The overall aesthetic is calm, relaxed, and thoughtfully styled. Understanding how to balance these elements is key. Choosing the right maxi skirt is essential. Fabrics and fit influence how the outfit moves and feel. Lightweight material like chiffon, cotton, blend, or soft linen are ideal for beach setting. The skirt should sit comfortably at the waist and flow naturally downward. High-waisted design can help in creating a longer and more refined silhouette. Soft print or neutral tone can enhance the relaxed vibe of the outfit. Avoid overly heavy fabrics that may restrict movement. The goal is to achieve a lightweight and breathable feel. Leather fashion is always a great choice. It is classy, edgy, and super versatile. Each piece can make a big difference in your look and make you look fantastic for every occasion. Whether you are heading out for a night function or just want to elevate your everyday look, a leather dress with skirt in a way to go makes you look comfortable, elegant, super stunning, beautiful, and gorgeous. My dear friends, lightweight knitwear complement maxi skirt by adding a soft and structured upper layer that balances the flowing layer lower half. Fabrics like fine cotton, knit, or breathable wool blend work well in mild weather. The fit should be slightly relaxed but not oversized to maintain proportion. Neutral or pastel shade can enhance the calm and natural aesthetic. Sleeve length can vary depending on the temperature. Avoid overly thick knits that may feel out of place. The knitwear should blend seamlessly with the skirt. This creates a cohesive and comfortable outfit. Layering can be minimal in beach setting, but light outerwear can still be added if needed. A soft shawl or lightweight cardigan can provide warmth during cooler evening. These pieces should complement the outfit without overpowering it. Neutral, natural fabric work best to maintain breathability. The color palette should remain soft and harmonious. In conclusion, maxi skirt style with lightweight knitwear create a perfect balance of comfort and elegance for sunset beach gathering. Thoughtful styling ensure that the outfit remains practical and stylish. It is versatile option for relaxed yet elegant occasion. This look reflects calm confidence and natural style. Simplicity remain the key to its success. So, thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. Bye.